When your car starts slipping gears, jerking, or struggling to move, it can change everything very quickly. One day, your car is part of your normal routine. The next, it is sitting at a workshop with a repair quote that feels difficult to justify. The question is not only whether the gearbox can be repaired, it is whether repairing it still makes financial sense. Warning signs can include delayed gear changes, slipping gears, grinding or clunking sounds, jerking, leaks, warning lights, burning smells, or the car going into limp mode. Before approving a major gearbox repair, compare the quote to the car's realistic value, age, mileage, condition, and any other repairs that may still be needed. Fixing the gearbox may be worth it if the vehicle is still fairly new, has reasonable mileage, is in good condition, and the repair cost is manageable. But if the car is older, high mileage, unreliable, or the repair cost is close to what the vehicle is worth, selling it as is may be the more practical move. Brazen Auto helps vehicle owners across Gauteng understand what their car may be worth as is before they spend money on costly repairs. Before you approve a costly gearbox repair, contact Brazen Auto for a no-obligation vehicle evaluation.